Hello children, welcome to our numerals lesson today. This lesson was produced by Rwanda EdUCATION Board with support from UNICEF. My name is Teacher John. This lesson is from Primary 6 Mathematics, Unit 1. Dear adults, as usual, we still encourage you to support the children during this radio learning program. Friends, I hope you are with your notebooks and a pen. Now, let us review what we learned in our previous lesson. Dear children, what did we learn in our previous numerals lesson? Can someone remember? Very good. In our previous numerals lesson, we learned about rounding of whole numbers to the nearest hundreds. We learned that to round off to the nearest hundreds, we look at the digit to the right. If the digit is greater or equal to 5, we round up. That means we add 1 to the digit in the hundreds position, and the rest of the positions to the right take on digit 0. That means a digit in the tens position is less than 5. We round down. That means the digit in the hundreds position doesn't change, and the digits to the right of the hundreds position become 0. Dear friends, let us check the answers for your homework in the previous lesson. To round off the numbers 327,381 and 2,365,542 to the nearest hundreds, we get 327,381 becomes 327,400. And the number 2,365,500 rounded off to the nearest hundreds becomes 2,365,500. The numbers 325,381 rounded off to the nearest hundreds becomes 327,400. And the number 2,365,542 rounded off to the nearest hundreds, we get 2,365,500. In today's lesson, friends, we will learn about rounding off whole numbers to the nearest thousands. But first, let us have a short break. We will be back shortly.
Come along and play with us.
Welcome back, dear children. Like I said before the break, in today's lesson we will learn about rounding off whole numbers to the nearest thousands. But first, we will have a warm-up. It's the same warm-up we had in our previous lesson. It's a rounding off song. I hope you still remember it. Let's go. Underline the digit. Look on the right. If it's a 5 or more, add 1 more. If it's a 4 or lower, just ignore. Great. Let's do it one more time together. Underline the digit. Look on the right. If it's a 5 or more, add 1 more. If it's a 4 or lower, just ignore. Wow! Well done, friends. Remember, friends, rounding off to the nearest whole number requires us to constantly remind ourselves of place values. What are some of the place values, friends? What are place values, friends? Very good. A place value is what tells us the value of a digit in a number based on the location of the digit. And the place values include ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s, etc. and so on. and all are written from the right to the left. We start with the ones to the right as we move on to the left. Dear friends, like I told you, in today's lesson we'll learn about rounding off to the nearest thousands. To round off to the nearest thousands, we look at the digit to the right. That means a digit in the hundreds position. If the digit is greater or equal to 5, we round up. That means we add 1 to the digit in the thousands position. And all the digits to the right of the thousands position will take on zeros. If the digit to the right, that means a digit in the hundreds position, is less than 5, we round down. That means the digit in the thousands position doesn't change, and the digits to the right of the thousands position all take on zeros. I hope you understanding it, friends. But we will have examples after this short break. I know you will understand it better.
Come along and play with us.
Welcome back, children. Let us have some examples. Example 1. Round off the number, I will read it as digits. Round off the number 4127686. The number is 4127686 to the nearest thousands. To read it loud, the number is 4,127,686. Dear friends, which digit do we have in the thousands position? Very good. We have digit 7. Looking to the right of the thousands position, there is digit 6. Digit 6 is greater than 5. Therefore, what do we do, friends? We round up. Rounding up in this case means we are adding 1 to digit 7 in the thousands position, and it will become 8. And the positions to the right will take on digits 0. So friends, what does our number become? Very good. Our number 4,127,686 rounded off to the nearest thousands becomes 4,128,000. To read them as digits, the number with digits 4,127,686 rounded off to the nearest thousands becomes 4,128,000. Well done, friends. Let us have example 2. Round off the number 125,264 to the nearest thousands. The number is 125,264. We are rounding it off to the nearest thousands. Very good, friends. In the thousands position, we have digit 5. Looking to the right of the thousands position, there is digit 2 in the hundreds position. But remember, friends, digit 2 is less than 5. Therefore, what do we do? Very good, we round down. Rounding down means keeping the digit 5 in the thousand position as it is. And all the positions to the right take on digits zeros. So what does our number become, friends? Very good. Our number 125264 rounded off to the nearest thousands becomes 125000. To read it out, our number 125,264 rounded off to the nearest thousands becomes 125,000. Well done, friends. We will have a short break. We will come back and be ready to try out numbers on your own. Be ready to try out rounding off numbers to the nearest thousands on your own.
Come along and play with us.
Welcome back, children. I am glad that you're still with me. Dear children, can you try out these numbers on your own? Are you ready? Very good. Round off the number 2302,576 to the nearest thousands. Round off the number 2,302,576 to the nearest thousands. You have few seconds to do so, friends. I hope you have finished, friends. Let us check our answer. In the thousands position, we have digit 2. Looking to the right of the thousands position, there is digit 5. Dear friends, digit 5 is equal to 5. And considering our rules, what do we do? Very good. Considering our rule of rounding up, if the number to the right is 5, we round up by adding 1 to the digit in the thousands position. And since the digit in the thousand position is 2, it becomes 3. And the positions to the right of the thousands position all take on digit 0. So what our number become, friends? Very good. Our number 2302,576 rounded off to the nearest thousands becomes 2303,000. To read it out loud, our number 2,302,576 rounded off to the nearest thousands, it becomes 2,303,000. Flowers for whoever has tried this out. Dear friends, can you try this one more example on your own? Round off the number 327,423 to the nearest thousands. Round off the number 327,423 to the nearest thousands. You have few seconds to do so. Well done, friends. I hope you have finished. Let us check our answer. In the thousands position, we have digit 7. Looking to the right of the thousands position, there is digit 4 in the hundreds position. You know, friends, digit 4 is less than 5. Therefore, we round down. Rounding down means, in this case, we keep digit 7 in the thousands position as it is, and all positions to the right take on zeros, and all positions to the right of the thousands position take on digits 0. Therefore, our number 327,423 rounded off to the nearest thousands becomes 327,000. Our number 327,423 rounded off to the nearest thousands becomes 327,000. It becomes 327,000. Well done, friends. I know you have understood how we round off whole numbers to the nearest thousands. Before we end our lesson, let us review what we have learned today. What have you learned today, dear children? Perfect. We have learned about rounding off to the nearest thousands. We have learned that to round off to the nearest thousands, we add 1 if the number to the right of the digit in the thousands position is greater or equal to 5. The positions on the right of the thousands position will then take on digits 0. If the digit to the right of the thousands, that means a digit in the hundreds position, is less than 5, we round down. That means the digit in the thousands position doesn't change, and the digits to the right of the thousands position all take on digit 0. For your homework, friends, round off the following numbers to the nearest thousands. The first number is 4,328,582, written as 4,328,582. The second number is 365,312. The second number is 365,312. I repeat, for your homework, friends, round off the following numbers to the nearest thousands. The first number is 4,328,582, written as 4,328,582. The second number is 365,312. The second number is 365,312. That is it for today, friends. Thank you for participating. Remember to join us for our next numerous lesson. Bye-bye.
Goodbye, 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 teacher. Goodbye, children. See you next time. Goodbye, 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 teacher. Goodbye, children. See you next time.